Okay, so there was homework, and so I will come to it. But to begin with, I will just have a recap problem and then, okay. Simple recap problem, find VT formula, which is velocity time formula for a particle going in a straight line with xt relation. Ishani, you are not in town, by the way. TQ. And you might need a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube formulas in case. And a minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. Reason I have given you this is I need to use the washroom. So just give me 5 minutes. I will be back. Okay.
So can we give direct answer?
Oh,
So can we give direct answer for this?
no. Fine. Who else is done? Yeah, Arihant, but tell the final answer. VT relation. Kunal, fine. Sohan, fine. Correct, Arihant. Is this? But how does it become t square? This was delta square. So what will happen? Who is this 6mj? 1 in delta. 300. How is it 3 in delta? That's where the mistake is, and this will also not be minus 3 in delta. That's correct.
So the way I solved it, by the way, like it's like a pattern where you like put the
Yes,
power here.
yes,
It's
yes.
weird, but it works. Like when
Yeah, it
Kunal said it
works.
like before, I tried and I saw that this is what works. Yeah, this is
Correct, Sarah.
Sir, I'm sending.
See, you applied a minus sign over this, right? So this becomes plus 60 delta and plus 60 delta. How did it become 2t delta?
Sir,
Yes. Anish, correct.
Okay, sir.
Come here, Akash. What did you do with this guy? 3m minus delta whole square. You have ignored it completely or not? This guy and this guy. Fine. Who has not got?
sir, I sent. Can you check? Sir, I wrote the answer on the top using the formula, and bottom, like I did the calculation, like to the left side.
Okay. Okay, Neha.
I got the same answer.
Who is this sending from a different number? Rish, acha, okay. Ishani. Hey, Ishani, how did that 3 go inside? It's 3 into m plus delta whole square and 3 into m minus delta whole square. It won't go inside, Ishani. And there are other calculation mistakes as well. Ishani, you are listening? Okay, who has not got? Hmm? Shani, I'm not able to hear you. I think you have a mic problem or something. Try joining again or fixing your sound. How did it become minus delta cube? This.
So over here, I figured out what I won't get right down.
You figured out what?
So I figured out that this thing I hadn't factorized it properly. So I wrote 3m square minus delta square plus 3m square delta.
No, but this will be minus here. So minus of minus, it will become.
Plus.
So here delta cube plus delta cube will become. Okay, I am moving on. I guess some people made silly mistakes, but pretty much everyone got it. Good to know that you remember the logic. It's a very important logic. I will come back to it after homework discussion. Okay. There's a reason I made you do that. Sorry. Wait, why am I opening from here? Okay, this was the assignment. I'm showing the answer key.
Sir, can you?
Homework status
Yes, sir.
showing. Anish, yours is missing or what?
Sir, I sent through my father's.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Hermanand, is it you or ChatGPT?
Sir, none of the above probably. Something like Google or Gemini.
Is it Gemini? Do you use Gemini? DeepSeek.
Sir,
See, it has to be artificial intelligence, natural intelligence, so is not there. We all know.
Sir, he admitted that he didn't use ChatGPT, but he never said anything about him using any other app, or he never denied that he cheated.
Yeah, I agree with you. See, Bhavya has better credibility. I didn't ask any such questions to her. But Parmanand. Hmm?
It's because I started doing aim safe papers.
When? How many you did?
I'm on 2005,
And you started from?
1985.
Oh, so you've done 20 papers. Good. Which book? Acha, that book which I published.
Sir, I just started that book.
That would be nice if you.
Sir, I just started that book.
Okay. Okay, checked. Now answer key.
Sir, can you send the answer? So fifth question.
Which one?
So fifth question.
Fifth,
Sir, the second one.
second one. Okay. The second question, right? So this is the information given, and like second, I am copying it. Just wait. Okay, average velocity and average speed of car from O to Q. I even indicated what is O and what is Q because it's hard to make out which one is O, which one is Q because of the print. So average velocity is displacement by time, yes or no? So when he is going from O to Q, start point 0, end point 240, yes or no? And time is also given in the question if you see. Okay. So average velocity. So look at the information. Car is moving along a straight line, say OP in below figure. It moves O to P first. First it goes from O to P. How much time? 18 seconds. And then from P to Q. So this is the motion of the car, like this and this. Right? So how much is the displacement? Now, when you measure displacement, does it matter what route car has taken or only start and end? So start and end, start is at 0, end is at 240. So 240 meter forward. Time taken total 18 plus 6, 24 seconds. Why are you subtracting time? He's going back in time by 6 seconds. He's traveling back, but time will still move forward, right? That's the problem in life. You can trace back your steps, but you cannot bring back the time. That's why you can't undo anything.
Because if time to go back, then there would be so much harder to answer.
Sir, I just calculated how much time would he take to cover 240 meters. And then I used it as the
10 meter per second forward, Rudransh. Time won't get subtracted. It won't become 18 minus 6. Unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know.
Very fortunately, sir.
Otherwise, what
Sir?
will
So if some war people,
Mhm.
like war people from China and the world would just be disaster. End of story. And also, if other creatures could control it, we wouldn't even exist.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
but sir,
Then
but we are calculating displacement, right, sir? So should it be only the time, like should that 6 seconds also be added to take it from 360 point back to 240 point? Because he's like we're in displacement,
yeah,
when we
yeah.
directly move only to 240, we don't
Total
calculate.
journey from see Anish, total journey is from O to P and P to Q as per the given information. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And then speed, what is the total path length? What is the total path length? 360 meter plus 120, 480 meter. Time 24 second again. So what is the average speed? 20 meter per second. So 10 meter per second forward and 20 meter per second, which is option B. Next doubt.
Sir, fifth one.
Sir, sixth.
Third, Rudransh. First of all, I'm just substituting the values of A and B. Any problem? Now you have to find velocity at t equal to 0. For that, you will need a velocity time formula. I have taught you how to calculate. So when you calculate, it comes 5t actually. Okay. So at t equal to 0, v is 0 only. Okay. Fine, Rudransh. Next.
Sir, sixth.
Sixth. Before sixth, anyone, anything? Fourth, Rudransh. Rudransh again, t equal to 2 second, 10 meter per second.
Sir, fifth one.
Fifth,
Yes, sir.
okay, now average velocity is asked. Average velocity is not same as instantaneous velocity. Do you really need velocity time relation for this?
No, sir.
Average velocity is
Sir,
displacement.
sir, total displacement by total time.
Now, how do you find displacement? You find where the particle is at 2 seconds.
Yes, sir.
So at t equal to 2, x is equal to
Sir, 8.5 plus 2.5 into 4. Yeah.
that's 18.5. At
Yes.
c equal to 4,
Yes.
x equal to plus 2.5 into 16.
Yes, sir.
So 48.5.
Yes, sir.
Do you care in between what happened or you don't in displacement?
Sir, we don't.
So what is the displacement then?
Sir, 30.
30 plus 30, right?
Yes, sir.
9 is important. And time?
Sir, time is 2 seconds.
2 seconds. So average velocity
Sir, 15. Okay, sir. I will.
30 by 2 with 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sixth one.
Sixth one. Yes.
The next question is answer of 2.5 meter per second square.
Huh? Yeah, this B ka value, yes.
So I have to find it. So I just cancel it out and then I got the velocity point.
CCR, you have to understand why it's given like that. X is what in this equation? Position. So what is the unit of X?
Meter.
Meter, right? So if X ka unit is meter, A ka unit should also be, because A ka unit cannot be kg, right? You cannot equate two things, one length. So A ka unit meter. What should be BT square ka unit?
And it can be meter also.
BT, see, B can be anything, but BT square should be meter, right? Only then it makes sense. BT square cannot be kg, right? You cannot add something in meters and kg. Yes or no? So BT square, how will BT square be meter? Look, B is 2.5 meter by second square, right? T ka unit is seconds. T square ka unit is second square. But if BT square, now if they combine, it will be 2.5 meter per second square into second square. So that's how, if you don't take B ka unit as 2.5 by meter by second square, the BT square ka unit will not turn out to be meter. And if that happens, then the question does not make sense. That's why for question to make sense, it's very important that B ka unit is meter by second square. Okay? Although it won't make a difference in the final solution, but actually it will become a wrong question itself in first place if that is not taken care of. Next,
Sir, sixth one.
sixth one. Oh yeah, I think I copied also sixth one. No, I didn't. I'm copying. Wait. Okay. See, there is an information given the particle starts traversing at t equal to 0. Now, what is the initial velocity?
Sir,
Initial means velocity at beginning. Okay. Hello.
yes, sir.
So velocity at beginning, right? Initial as starting, right? When did it start? When did the beginning happen? At t equal to
0 seconds.
0 seconds. So basically they are asking velocity at t equal to 0. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
So what is the relation? V equal to, when you solve it, it will come 180 plus 100t. Okay. So at t equal to 0, V will come out as 180. Okay.
Sir, but the initial velocity at 0 seconds should be 0, right, sir? Because it is just starting at that.
No, 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 no. Who said like that? That when you start, you can start with a speed as well, right? You can start with suddenly like a bomb blast when it happens.
Sir. Sir, so basically we have to find the VT formula and then substitute the time and to get the velocity.
Yes.
Sir, and it's a particle, so the bomb blast theory can very well happen.
Yeah.
So what bomb blast theory?
They are saying initial velocity or starting velocity will always be 0. I said no. Something can start its motion at a very high velocity. Imagine a particle immediately after a bomb blast. If you take that part of the journey of the particle immediately after the bomb blast, then it is at a very high speed.
The time is relative.
How does that
Like
apply?
if you take like the particle as a static, while it was being created, that kind of moved at all.
Yeah, okay, that way, yeah.
Sir, but a particle can sir, it's moving along a straight line, so the particle can also go straight up and come back straight down. Then the velocity becomes
Yeah,
0.
all that can happen, but at a particular moment, just when you started recording the motion,
Oh, okay, sir.
at that time its velocity need not be 0. Let's say you are recording the motion of the particle immediately after the bomb blast. Then at that moment, is its velocity 0?
No, sir.
Yeah, if you record the moment of the same particle before the bomb blast,
Sir, it's 0.
then starting velocity might be 0 because the bomb might have been kept stationary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you never know where to start. So, but it's given. That's why this relation is given. If you go by the relation and math, then its initial velocity was 180 meter per second. Okay.
Yes.
Next. So Rudransh is asking 12th, before 12th.
So 7th.
Hmm?
7th one.
Nothing before 12th.
So 7th one.
7th, who's that?
So Sarah.
See, for 7th one, isn't it similar? Like you already found the velocity time relation, V equal to 180 plus 100t. And then they're asking at t equal to 4.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sure, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, for the 10th one, Sir, for the 10th one, the time at which they overtake the car, the train A will just overtake the next second after they meet at 2 hours, right, sir? So the
Yes.
answer should be 2 hours, right?
No, no, no. Next second. It should be 2 hours. Yes.
Okay, sir.
10th one. So immediately next second after 2 hours. So it's about 2 hours only then.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, next 12th one then I'm coming to. Okay, instantaneous velocity at 2 seconds. 2 seconds will lie in this phase. Rudransh. So how will you calculate the instantaneous velocity in this phase? It's a straight line, so instantaneous velocity and average velocity will be. So how much? How much distance? No, it's in 2.5 seconds. He is covering 50 meters. Yeah, which is 20 meters per second. Then t equal to 5. It is no t 0, right? It's not moving at all. T equal to 8 seconds lies in this phase. So see how much time and how much distance? 50 to 100. So how much? 50 meter. 50 to 100 Rudransh. 50 meter to by 2.5 seconds. 20 meter per second. Mind it, you are finding velocity, so direction is very important. This was 20 meter per second forward or backward. So positive 20. This one plus 20. T equal to 12 second lies in this phase. So in this phase, what happens? 100 meters in 100 to 0, right? In how much time? So 20 meter per second. But it's backward. Particle is going from 100 meter mark all the way back to 0 meter mark in this. Okay. So it is minus 20. Now add 20 plus 0 plus 20 minus 20. It will come plus 20 meter per second. So A. Okay. Sure. Arjav is sleepy. Already yawning.
You said it doesn't
Yeah, I will. Okay, guys. So sheet is done, right? Now I am about to make your lives easier before making it tougher again. See, try to recall if x equal to t square is the relation, Vt relation always comes as
2t.
2t. If x equal to t cube is there, Vt relation always comes.
That t square.
Notice this now, you can use this to your advantage. Let's say if I say x equal to t power 4, you have not calculated. But
T equal to 4t cube.
if we go by the same thing, logic, it will come 4t cube, which is true. Okay? Same way, if you have, let's say, x equal to 5t square, then what happens is that this 5 which is there, this remains as it is, but t square becomes 2t. So it becomes 10t. Okay? So can you apply these patterns in some question and find the velocity?
So that's how I found the velocity for the one you gave before.
I will come to what if it's like. Okay? Find velocity time formula for following xt relations.
Sir, can we give direct answers?
Yes. When I say direct answers, you need to send me. I mean, you can't say out.
Yes, sir.
So I'll go with the
What is this? Okay, all correct. Second one is wrong. Third one is wrong. Careful. Who is this Ashwik? Please remove. He is kicking it around.
So change this.
Yeah. Otherwise, correct. Fine. 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 Still wrong. Second, third. Nihal, correct.
yes, sir.
Arihant, correct. Sara, correct. Kunal, correct. Ishani, correct. Sohan, correct. Correct. Correct, Anish.
Okay, sir.
So can you increase the temperature?
Please, 26, it is 27, 28 you want.
Yeah.
Correct. Rudrash, look at powers of t. That's where the problem is not. Power becomes less by. Yeah, and what are you doing? Who has not got this? Yeah. Everyone got it? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say you have something like x equal to t cube plus 5t square minus 7t plus 8. No problem. Do them individually. T cube becomes 3t square, 5t square becomes 10t. Now you might be wondering what happens to 7t.
Sir, it becomes 7.
Why does it become 7? Look at it. If you go by the pattern, this was t power 1. So this power should become 0. And the 1 should come in front of it. Hello? What happens to this constant term? It anyways becomes 0. Okay?
Yes.
So basically, if it's x equal to 5t, v equal to 5. If it's t power 1, it just becomes a straight line. Yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So do this.
Sir, how many?
Find VT relation corresponding to following xt relations. X equal to 2t power 6 minus t cube minus 5t minus 18. 2x equal to 3t cube plus 2t square plus 1t plus 0.5. 2t square. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I sent.
Nehal, correct.
Yes, sir.
Kunal, it's wrong. First one, how are you getting 23? The check, Kunal. Ishani, correct. Who's this? This is correct. Whoever it is, Ashwik. I'm not able to see. No, 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 no. There is a one mistake in both of them. First one is correct, second one is wrong. Who's this? Aviram, one mistake in both of them, same as Arsh, exact same. Sohan correct. Still both wrong. Who's this? Huh? Fine, Arju. Sara correct. Arihant correct. Anish correct.
Okay, sir.
Aviram, you were able to fix it, right? Tell him same mistake he's making, exact same. Tell him. Yeah. This term and this term, what will they become in BT formula? If it's a constant term, it becomes what? Everyone fine with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see who all can figure this out. X equal to 1 upon t. Now find VT relation. Logic remains exactly similar to last. No. No, Rian. No, there's something wrong still. Wrong. You have used your brains nicely, Bhavya, but something is missing. No.
So 1
Yeah.
second, I'm sending.
Who is this? Very good, Tanish.
Sir, is it correct?
Yes, I don't say very good just like that. But what do you think? Sarcastic?
Yes, sir. Earlier I thought like that. Okay, sir.
Sir, I sent.
No, Sohan. Ishani, no. Actually, not bad, Nihal. Good.
Sir, is it correct?
Yeah. Sarah wrong. Who's this? No. Who's that innovator? Pretty good. Solid. Just show me once more. No, still it's not correct, but pretty good, I would say. Okay, guys,
Sir,
observe.
correct, right?
Observe. When you had x equal to t square, what was happening? Power was coming in front of it, and the power of t was becoming less by 1. So 2t. Do you get how it was working? If it was x equal to, let's say, t power 5, same thing. First, the power comes in front and the power of t reduces by 1. Yes or no? So if it's x equal to 1 by t, you can write it as t power minus 1. Now power comes in front, minus 1, and power of t reduces by 1. So instead of minus 1, it will become minus 2. So you get minus 1 t power minus 2, which is minus 1 upon t square. Parmanan, now you get it why it was wrong.
So first I thought it was 1 by t square, but like I forgot, and then I remembered that I forgot the minus sign.
Getting people? What, Rashmik? Oh God, he's making me realize that there is a 7th grader sitting between 8th graders.
So what did
I
you say?
hope everyone else knows how 1 upon t is t power minus 1. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh God,
Yes.
Ashwin. So I can't explain it right now. I mean, it's a nice concept. But, what happens is that if this goes in numerator, the power becomes negative. 1 upon t power 1. If you send t power 1 in numerator, it becomes t power minus 1.
So question, how do we have to raise things to the power of fractions in this? No, right?
That is also possible.
So I don't know how to do it.
Don't worry, I am there. Find VT relations corresponding to
Sir,
below XT relations.
sir, I have a doubt. Can I ask it after the questions you give are done?
Yeah.
Yes.
what's that last term and the third one?
1 by t square. Sohan, first one is wrong. Second is also wrong. First one, check. How does it become -1? It should become minus. The power should come in front too.
So I'll be okay. So I'll write.
So second and third are also wrong, by the way, for the same reason. First one is fine. Second one, you are saying that nothing happens to this. Why does nothing happens to this? It's not like that. And this t becomes 0. No. And these two also you have done wrong. So second, third completely wrong. Yes, first one is correct.
Sir, I sent.
Anish, last one is wrong. First two are fine.
Sir, I sent.
First one is wrong. How is it 4 and all? Everything wrong. Powers of
Sir, is mine correct?
who's that?
Sir, Nihal.
Yeah, last one is wrong. Otherwise, first two are fine.
Sir, I'm sending.
Anish, yeah, now it's fine. Kunal, all correct. Yeah. Yeah, third one is fine now.
Sir, I resent the third one.
Okay, Sarah, first one correct. Second one, last term. How are you getting +1? Acha, oh, I see. Second one is also fine. You have just flipped the terms.
Yes.
All correct, actually, Sarah.
Sir, the third one I resent.
Okay, I will check. Yeah, it's fine. Oh,
Okay, sir.
and second one is wrong. Who is this? This is correct, Ashwik.
So was it completely wrong or you were right?
Okay, so Akarsh, first one is we have tried to fix. See, this is correct till here, but how did this -3 become 1? And second one is correct. Third one is no, second one there's a term missing. It's not correct. Third one is also wrong. So all three wrong, but you have tried better. It's correct, Sohan now.
Okay, so
Dr. Vayu. Naruto, he's wearing the t-shirt as well, right? Second one wrong. Even you are.
Does the third one correct?
Yes. This is yours? Where is the first one? Here? Yeah, it's correct now. No. Where is first one? Sorry, I was looking at yeah, it's correct. No. By the way, I don't watch anime. I watched Naruto. I read manga basically in 2006, 2007. I watched that at that time. Naruto Shippuden was not in anime form. Naruto was, so I watched Naruto full anime. Shippuden I read through manga. Okay, who is this? This is Ishani. Good job, Ishani, overall. But second one, it's wrong.
Okay, sir.
Who's this? Still second one wrong. Okay, first one is fine, Myras. Third one is still wrong. Who is this? Abhiram? Second one is still wrong. Third one is fine. No. Arihan, first and second both completely wrong. Okay, I'm doing it for people who are not getting. See, guys, your first one, it is t power -3. What is the first thing which happens? What happens to the power? It comes in front. minus 3 comes in front. And what happens to this wala power? It reduces by 1. Now just send it in denominator, it becomes hello.
Yes. So we can just write it like minus 3t power.
Yeah, that is also fine. This is better. Okay. Now second one, t to becomes 1.
Yes.
What happens to 1 plus t square? Wait, let me first write x only. X equal to, this is t plus t power minus 2 plus 2t power minus 4. Now what happens to be, t to becomes 1. This one again, minus 2 comes in front and t power. And in this one, minus 4 comes in front. So 2 remains, this 2 remains 2 only. This minus 4 comes in front. T power. So it becomes 1 minus 2 t power minus 3 and similarly plus minus 8, which is minus 8 t power minus 5, which is 1 minus 2 upon t cube minus 8 upon t power 5. Sohan,
Yes, sir.
you got it earlier, I don't remember. Arihant, sorry, Arihant. Arihant,
Yes, sir.
Arihant, for third one you do with me. First write negative powers 1 plus Arihant, what?
Sir, my 2 power
Plus t power.
minus 2.
What happens to 1?
It will become 0.
It becomes 0. What happens to t power minus 1?
1 by 2.
Minus 1 comes in
Minus
front.
1. Minus 1
T power
to the power 1.
1. How 1?
No, 1, minus 1, 2.
Minus
1, 2.
0.2.
Huh? No, minus 1 t to the power 0.
How 0? This has to become
Oh, no,
less.
minus 2. Minus 2.
And then what happens to this guy?
Minus 2 t to the power minus 3.
Now simplified. 0 is 0 only. Plus minus 1 means minus.
Minus 1 by t square.
And then this also becomes minus
Minus 2 by t cube.
t cube. Okay.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, Rudransh. T becomes 1. There is no 1, it's T.
So what is the final answer?
Yeah, so it is, in final answer, it is 1. It was not initially constant, it later on became 1. Yeah. Okay, find VT relations.
Sir? Sir?
Yes, Nihal.
Sir, I told I had a doubt before I started, right? Like before you started, right?
So
Sir, like what if it is in square root?
we will come to that.
Okay, sir.
What is this? Plus only, right? Okay. Yes. No, it's rubbish. Both wrong.
Sir, I sent.
First one, so Shani, you have copied the question wrong. This was t cube, you copied it as t square.
Okay.
Second one, you have done all right in this part, but this part you have messed up. Who's this? Who's this? Correct. Yes. Who's this?
Sir, I sent this one correct.
Pretty much completely wrong, both. No. Nihal, correct.
Okay, sir.
First one is wrong, Kunal. Second one, fine. Anish, all correct.
Okay, sir.
Sohan, all correct. Who's this?
Okay, sir.
Both wrong. Okay, who is this? Sarah, both correct. Both wrong, Aryan. What is this?
9 by
Fine, fine. Who's this? Fine.
I can use the washroom.
Kunal, correct now.
Sir, which
Tell
part
us.
have I messed up in second one?
Who's that?
Sir, Ishani.
Ishani, come again. I didn't understand your question.
Sir, which part did I mess up in the second one?
The first part, 5t power 4 wala part.
Okay, sir. Sir, where did I mess up?
Who's this? First one is still wrong. Arihant, wait a minute. Let me open. Arihant, in first one you have messed up in this part, and second one also this part. Powers of t. Sign and all you figured out nicely, but powers of t. Okay, now second one is correct. First one is still wrong. Nishani, no, first part is still a problem. Now that you didn't change it at all. Who's this? Correct. Correct.
Sir, is the second one fine?
Is Arjo fine? Literally eating the bottle. Yeah, come again. Who was
Sir,
that?
is the second one fine?
Who is that?
Sir, Ishani only.
Ishani, you sent again or what?
Yes, sir, I sent the first and second one again.
No, second one still not fine. Actually, now first one is also not fine.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Who is this? Fine. Okay, Ishani, see. First one, first of all, bring all these t in numerator. So this will become t power.
-3.
Now what happens to t cube? Power comes,
Sir,
so 3t. And this power,
sir, 2.
minus sign copied as it is, this 3 copied as it is. What happens to t power -3? Power comes,
Sir, into 2.
no, power comes in front,
Oh,
and then t power, what happens?
sir, 4.
-4.
Yes, sir.
Now simplified, this is 3t square. This is minus, but 3 into -3 is
Sir, plus 9
9.
by t power 4.
Yeah. So overall, finally, it becomes 3t square plus 9 by t power. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here, this is 5t power 4 minus what you only tell. No, first x, not v. X. X only right now.
Yes, sir. 56.
No, x.
Oh,
So
okay.
t power
So,
this t power 7 was in denominator. In numerator, it will become t power
-8.
-7. Right now, I'm just writing x only.
Okay,
I have
sir.
not converted. Now for v. Now tell me. Now I'm converting.
Yes, sir. 4.
What happens to this 5?
Sir, 5 into 4 mean 20.
5 into 4. T power
3.
minus, then this, what happens to 8?
Sir, 8 into 7.
8 into 7 or 8 into something else? Is it 7 or is it -7?
So -7. 8 into 7.
And t power.
T power 8. -8.
Now next line, this is
20 t power 3 plus 56 by t power 8.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do a question now. Given x equal to t cube by 3 minus 5t square plus 24t minus 9. Find the time when velocity becomes 0. Correct. Hmm? Are there going to be? Yes. Arihant, that's wrong. T square does not become 2t. Sohan, correct. 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 Kunal, correct.
Sir, I got until a certain point. Can I send until there?
Hmm?
Sir, I got until a certain point. Can I send until there?
Yeah, you can. Anish, answer is wrong and working missing.
Sir, I sent till a part. Can you tell if it is correct till then?
Velocity time relation is wrong. Okay, Ishani, how does it become 10 by t? This term is the problem. Who is this?
Okay.
No, first term is the problem. Aryan, still the relation is wrong. Anish, relation is correct, factorization is wrong.
Sir, I sent. After that, I'm not getting what to do.
Relation is wrong. It's how does it become 2t square? See, this 3 will come in front, right? So, Nihal,
Oh, okay, sir.
yeah. Yeah, it is correct, but why are you not simplifying it? 3t square upon 3 is. And then your factorization is also wrong, Akash. So, what is the answer? Okay. Side max. Who is this? Correct. Sarah, this -9 will not be there in the VT relation.
Yes.
Sir, is it time? Sir, should we give time or times?
Times.
Okay, sir.
Aryan, the relation is wrong.
Sir, I didn't get what to do.
Sir, can you tell till which part I got correct?
Anish, your factorization is wrong. Relation is correct. We are factorizing it incorrectly. Check that.
Sir, I didn't get it after the point I said.
Who is that?
Sarah.
Sarah, wait, let me relook. Sarah, that -9 is not there. I will tell Sarah, wait. Nihal, correct.
Okay, sir.
Nihal, but it's not V, it's T you have calculated. V to is 0 at those points.
Sir, T, sir.
Yeah. Okay. For people who have not getting, see, Shani, what happens to T cube by 3? Will anything happen to by 3?
No, sir.
T cube will become how much?
3t square.
What will happen to 5t square?
Sir,
Will
10t.
anything happen to 5?
No, sir.
But t square will become?
5 into 2t. 10t.
And what happens to 24t? Will anything happen to 24?
No, sir. Only the t will
It will become?
0.
No.
1. Sorry, 1.
1. And what will happen to this 9?
Sir, it will be 0.
Yeah. Sarah, do you realize that this constant terms become?
Yes, sir.
0. So this is not x, by the way, this is v. Now what happens? 3t square by 3 can be simplified to
So t square.
minus
10t.
plus.
24.
Now you have to find the time when velocity becomes 0. So you have found the velocity. So
Yes, sir.
Sir, I sent, is it correct?
is correct. Yeah, Ishani.
Okay, sir.
Ishani.
Yes, sir. 1 second. T square minus
10t plus 24 will become low.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
I am very sleepy. Yeah.
T square minus 6t minus 4t plus 24.
Yeah, that you are factorizing, which is correct. We will need that. But before that, velocity becomes 0. So what does this equation become?
Oh, 0.
T square minus 10t plus 24 equal to 0.
0,
Now
yes.
factorize, Ishani.
Sir, t square minus 6t minus 4t plus 24, which will be t minus 6, t minus 4.
Yeah. T minus 6, t minus 4 equal to 0. Arihant, are you getting?
Yes, sir, I got my mistake.
So t equal to?
So t equal to 6 second and 4 second.
Sarah, do you get your mistake?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but could you tell me why does minus 12t plus 2t will not work? Like the splitting.
What do you get common here? T minus 12, t common. And here,
Yes,
2
sir.
common, you get t plus 12.
Yes, sir. Like
It won't even get factorized.
yes, sir.
Now,
But like, why it will like not like what? Though the sum is the same tens low. So I thought there was
no. Sum is minus 10t, but product of minus 12t and plus 2t should be same as plus 24t square. But minus 12t and plus 2t, their product will be minus 24t square.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when you factor, it's like according to the formula, t cube will become 3t square. Then why can't you simplify t square?
Hmm?
Like so 3 times 2t.
There's too much noise in the background. I can't understand what you're saying.
3 times 2t, sir. Like 2 cube will become 3t square, then 3 times 2t.
No, why will you do it 2 times? See, t cube becomes 3t square, but why do you want to factorize it again? You have already you have already done it once, right? That way, though, you keep doing, then 3t square becomes 6t and then 6, and there is no limit to it.
Sir,
Sir, it will reach until delta.
Yeah. Okay, Arihan, do you get it?
Yes, sir.
sir, if it's v square, do we have to do it like those many times? Like 2 times or anything like that?
No,
Or do we just put a square root over
no,
it?
no. V square becomes a very different game. I can't explain that right now. Okay.
Sir, v square we can just like velocity becomes
Arre,
zero.
no,
So
I don't need any expert comments there, please. Is this clear? Hello? Fine, I will stop here and no ice cream party because I am very sleepy.
So that's such a scam for them.